Here's an interesting app called BreathWrk, breathing exercises. As you can see, one of the most popular apps for that, and one of the top apps in overall fitness and health category. Quick and powerful breathing exercises. Calm your body and mind in seconds. Wake up and get energized quickly. Fall asleep faster with breathing. Improve your endurance and lung capacity. Track your progress and set reminders. Access the largest library of breathing exercises in the world. Um, the way you breathe is at the core of all mental and physical health and performance. Power your mind and body with BreathWrk, the number one app in breathing that's changing lives. Join the community of millions using their breath to wake up, fall asleep, calm anxiety, improve physical performance, and much more. So you can choose from the largest library of breathing exercises and classes in the world and master the same techniques used by psychotherapists, Olympic athletes, sleep doctors, Navy SEALs, yogis, neuroscientists, and breath experts. So it's a really cool idea actually, because a lot of meditation apps, they just have one tab inside of the app where you just have like breathing exercise, but here you have all the app which is just focusing on one thing like breathing. And that's really amazing when you just have one app which is like super focused on one this feature. So you can create an account 100 different ways to breathe. So then let's just try to create an account together. So and then you can create account with Apple ID. Then of course it nudges you to upgrade to BreathWrk Pro. That's $7.99 monthly, but you can also enable reminders. And there you have it. So there are different types of exercises. So yeah, it's super cool actually. Like there are different rhythms. For example, if you want to sleep, it's different than when you're awake. So that's pretty cool actually. Um, so that's how it works. Then you can see your stats. It's really nice. Get the full effect, test yourself. Top breathers, you can see this month. And there you have it. You can always reach out to contact support. You can also write mindful minutes, or set it up in Health app. So that's a pretty fun app. Definitely try it out.